So today we have a 2008 Nissan Sentra, and I'm changing the heater blower motor again. I changed it in 2014 with a OEM one. This time I'm going to use an aftermarket one. But when I did it in 2014, watch out for my assistant here. I took the entire dash, steering column, console, everything out of the vehicle. This time I'm trying to do it without taking that all apart. So what I've done is I removed some dash trim, the heater duct, some kind of security module. Battery's disconnected, obviously. I'm not sure what that module is. And I've got the gas pedal and brake pedal assembly removed. And that module, or that blower motor, is way up here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that at all. But I might have to take this clevis off of the brake pedal. We're not sure. I've got the retaining screw out. Now I understand you just turn it, if I remember correctly, turn it counterclockwise about 10 degrees and it should come out. So you do have to take this control module bracket off. There's one little screw holding it in place, and you wiggle that out of there. And then you have to take the clevis off the brake pedal. So there's a 17mm jam nut, put a crescent wrench on it to hold it, and try not to disturb the adjustment. And you can weasel this blower motor out now. So now the reverse procedure. When you're installing it, this ear goes at about, let me put this light up here. This ear goes at around the, let's see, that'd be 9 o'clock, around the 8 o'clock position. And you have to rotate it at about that much to get it in place. I think it ends up about 9 o'clock once it's installed. Yes, about there, because the connector is off at about 1 o'clock when it's in the vehicle. So it might be just between 9 and 9:30. Anyways, we'll reverse the procedure and put it together. You got to be a contortionist laying under the dash though. So it's a wise time to change this cabin filter, as it's right in beside the gas pedal, and it's nearly impossible to get it out with the gas pedal in the way. Now a bunch of this crap fell down inside the heater, so I'm going to try and vacuum it out as best as possible. I think I got along. Probably have more airflow now through the heater.